Okay, unlike ASCII, I think art. Yeah. No, unlike Correloaded as ASCII-ART, I already talk about ASCII-ART. ASCII-ART is taking the broad project is allowing you to use a regular text and then produce a gigantic graphic image using um, the ASCII uh, characters provided, or the yeah, we have to create a sort of input text that you can output them so they can produce that giant. Unlike Go Reloaded, where we have less than three arguments, here we'll be looking for two, the name of the program, and then the input file we'll be using will be the standard txt or the Tinkertoy and the like. Now we are expected to write the program in such a way that will cast, when you run your project, let's say you want to put hello world, you are going to be allowing it to cast that as a giant graphic, okay, of hello world, and then we're able to move to a point where we could have it colored and have it in a particular alignment. That may be center alignment, justification, left or right alignment, as the case may be, which will then proceed us to ASCII web. Okay, but the joy for us here is the fact that we get to write the code. Yeah, sometimes some of these codes will be AI generated, but we need to understand line upon line what these codes do and what each line does. That way we are preparing ourselves for a global readiness, as the case may be. And here campus is something that is worth doing. Sometimes you just have to turn off the internet to see if you could write this code yourself. And another step further is to develop a test file that could test your code, just like any software would be tested. It's tested to see if it will run. The time complexity is tested, and if there are parts of the code that couldn't work, you are given opportunity to go back, choose another time, do your code again and make it work. So by and large, we are not just randomly or hastily want to solve a problem, but we really want to understand the in-depth of what each code does and what the output is going to be like if altered, or if there's a case where there are bugs, you should be able to go through them and then resolve them, as the case may be. So by and large, ASCII-ART. So one beautiful thing I've learned. So some of the pictures I have on my mind is the fact that we could use that to produce graphics that will look appealing for client usage, as the case may be, depending on what the person wants to do using the ASCII characters. So just to put some of the learning progress tracking for myself out here, for those of you who are learning with me. Thank you, and see you on